Well, hello everyone, and welcome to dinner time. Bridget, what are you trying to get after? Mom made some popcorn for you for dinner, but for us, Dr. Miller, why don't you pull that up and show everyone what we got for dinner? Just your plate's fine. Pizza. I made pizza today with a sourdough crust. Dr. Miller's been making sourdough bread, or getting the starter going. So a sourdough crust with some tofu, some pickled peppers from the farm. We've got spices from the farm that we've made. We've also got tomato sauce from the farm. And then we put some nutritional yeast on top. So a simple recipe, really tasty. And I also threw some soy curls in there as well. And I added a little bit of a miso kind of, like a miso and garlic kind of brushed on to the pizza. So why don't we give it a try here, Dr. Miller?
Oh my.
Yeah, you give it a try. What do you think?
Oh, good. Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good stuff. Here you go, Bridge. You want to give it a try?
You don't get a piece. Hold it.
You want to try the pizza? What do you think? Say more, or you good? That's pretty good stuff. Hey, one other thing we want to mention is we got the shirts. The shirts are in. We've had shirts, but the shirts you can order from plantbasedgabriel.com. We've got all the different vegetable varieties. Dr. Miller's wearing her banana shirt. Banana shirt there. I'm wearing my banana shirt. You can get them in adult sizes. You can also get them in kid or infant sizes, like little one sizes, up to 24 months. We really put some effort and time into these shirts. We hope you enjoy them. And basically, it's not like, we just came up with shirts. These are the type of shirts that I wanted to wear. And so if you're like me and you want to not have something that has a big brand or logo, or, big brand on it or whatnot, but something that just says, hey, I enjoy bananas, or I love sweet potatoes, or hey, I just like wearing potatoes. Or popcorn all over the floor, Bridget Rose. She's gotten to, she likes to eat them, but she likes to grab a big handful from the bowl if she can try to steal one away, so.
Bella gets the bunch.
And Bella, the real winner through that bet, Bridget, was me. Oh, thank you so much. Was me and Bella, because we're just, we get the scraps. So everyone, we hope you have a wonderful night. We hope you are having a wonderful night. Bridget's about to pull everything off the table. Check out the shirts. I'll have a link. We really hope you enjoy them. If you haven't heard already, we love you.
Love you.
And we would love to see everyone in some sort of a Plant-Based Gabriel shirt, whether it's potatoes, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, sweet peas, or sweet corn. If you do get a shirt, snap a picture with it, and we will share it on our page because we want to see everyone in a plant-powered t-shirt. Bridget, you have anything else to say other than bye-bye? Hey, you want to say bye? You want to say bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, let's see you guys.